I'm Sarah, I'm 14.
I'm Levi, I'm 20.
Okay, it's on.
2, 3.
Simmer down. They say we're too young now to amount to anything else. But look around, we worked too damn hard for this just to give up. And now, if you don't swim, you'll drown. But don't move, honey. It's so perfect standing there in my American Apparel underwear. And I know now that I'm so down. Your lipstick stain is a work of art. I got your name tattooed in an arrow heart. And I know now that I'm so down. Hey, let's get out, 'cause this deadbeat's town only here just to keep us down. While I was out, I found myself alone, just thinking if I showed up with a plane ticket.